How to fix front camera not working on your iPhone device. If you are having this constantly issue on your camera, then to solve this video is for you. For that, first of all, launch your settings on your device. From there, go through screen time. If you scroll down a little bit under screen time, there you will see content and privacy restriction. Tap on it. Now, make sure that you have toggle on content and privacy restriction options. Then there you will see allowed apps and features. Simply tap on it. From here, make sure that camera is toggled on. If it is toggled off, then make sure to turn it on. Once you do that, go back to the camera and check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is still there, then launch your settings again and go through the general. Now tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then reset all of your settings. Then your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.